Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make stickman animation in Canva. We can also use ChatGPT. Okay, I will show you how you can do this. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app, and here first we need to go in create and just go to the video and just take your canvas. So I just take this YouTube video canvas here. Okay, and we have this blank canvas with this. Okay, so this is the timer. We can say it is like layers. So if it's not visible to you, you can just click on these pages, it will be visible to you. Okay, so here now go to the elements and search for some stickmans. Okay, so you need to search stickman scenes. Okay, so if you want to make stickman jump from plane, so you need to just search for stickman jump from plane. Okay, so here we can see, come to the graphics, you can see some effects or stickman graphics which is maybe similar to this what you want. Okay, but if you don't find this, you can generate it. So it will be generate, Canva will be generate the stickman and that image or graphics. So just let it generate. It is working now. Okay, so now we have some graphics which you which what we require, which is stickman jump from plane. So I just choose one and just drag on the canvas here. Okay, so we have this graphics which want, just maximize the size and just make it middle. Now you can download as a png if you want. You go to the download as a png. Okay, once you download, you need to upload again here. Okay, from you can here from you can upload. Okay, or you can simply do one thing here, go to the share, go to the see all, go to the copy clipboard, then this image will be copied. Okay, now just delete that original graphics and paste by clicking Ctrl plus V. So we have these graphics now. You can maximize the size like this, just fit to the canvas. Now go to the edit, here the tool, go to the see all and go to the video image to video options. Okay, go to the customs and here you need to paste that prompt, or you can write it, make this stick man jump from plane and okay, and just generate it. So you can generate maximum 6 seconds video here, so it will be generate. So let it work. Okay guys, so here you can see the animation has been done. Now come to the back side here, come to the back. Here we have got that animation which is, you can see the stickman jump from plane. Okay, so now what we can do, so this is our first frame, so this is our first image. Here you can add the other media, or here you can add the, okay, so this is our media, this is our elements. Okay, you need to just put that graphics on the media. Here you can add the audio. Okay, so now you need to add the another canvas blank. Okay, here we have that blank page again. Now here you need to add the another prompts. Okay, so stick man falling from plane and on earth. Now just search for graphics. Now here you can generate the graphics. Okay, so you need to generate a scene by scene the stickman scene image, and then you can animate by clicking that edit option and image to video options and make it animate. Okay, so this is one option. Or here you can also, you have chat gpt, come to the chat gpt here. Okay, and in new, go to the create image and give the prompt and just generate the image. Okay, so here we have the another Okay, so now we have that another image. So now same you need to animate with that options, and which we have already done with this first image. Okay, now we have two image. Here we can see this is, I got another image from chat GPT. Just open it, copy it, come to the canvas. Okay, and paste here, and you can go to the edit here, image to video, and give the prompt and generate the video. Okay, so that is how you can use ChatGPT also with Canva and create the Stickman animation video step by steps. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.